In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage backups and exports in Zoho Wiki. If you're working in Zoho's modern knowledge base, Zoho Learn, this is how you safely save offline copies, archive information, and keep your documentation protected without disrupting your workspace. First, let's talk about full backups by exporting an entire manual. In Zoho Learn, a manual is the top-level collection that holds your articles, like a book with chapters. To create a backup of a manual, open the manual you want to save in your Learn hub. In the top right corner, click the three-dot More Options icon, choose Settings, then switch to the Export tab. Click Export, and Zoho Learn will start preparing your backup. You don't need to wait on that screen. When it's ready, you'll get an in-app notification and an email letting you know the zip file can be downloaded. That zip file contains HTML versions of your manual's pages, keeping the structure and content intact so you can open them in any web browser. This is ideal for offline storage, audits, migrations, or simply keeping a snapshot of your knowledge base at a specific point in time. Just remember, this export is designed for viewing and reference. It's not a restore file, so you can't directly import it back to rebuild a manual. As a best practice, save the zip in a secure location, add dates to your file names, and quickly spot-check the export by opening a few pages to confirm everything looks right. Now, if you don't need the whole manual, you can export individual articles. Open the article you want, click the More Options icon, and select Export to PDF. This generates a clean PDF you can store, print, or share. If confidentiality matters, you can set a password before exporting. Keep in mind that export options can vary depending on your plan, such as Express or Professional, so if you don't see the feature, it may be restricted by your subscription or permissions. Article PDFs are perfect for quick snapshots, customer guides, handoffs to stakeholders, or attaching to a ticket or email thread. To wrap up, use manual exports when you need a comprehensive, structured backup of an entire collection, and use article exports for targeted, shareable documents. Schedule backups at a cadence that matches how often your content changes. Label and organize your files, and verify a sample after each export. With these simple habits, your knowledge base stays protected, portable, and ready whenever you need it.